Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to avoid BMO monthly account fees. Bank fees can quietly drain your hard-earned money over time, but avoiding monthly maintenance charges on your Bank of Montreal account is entirely possible if you know the right strategies. Whether you are banking with BMO in Canada or the United States, several direct methods exist to bypass these costs. The most common way to waive monthly account fees at BMO is by maintaining a required minimum daily closing balance. For instance, premium or performance tier checking accounts typically charge a monthly plan fee, but BMO will completely waive this fee if your account balance stays at or above a specified threshold every single day of the month. Depending on the specific tier of your account, this required minimum can range from a few $1,000s upwards. If you can comfortably keep that amount parked in your account as a baseline float, the monthly maintenance charge drops to zero. If maintaining a high minimum balance is not practical for your budget, your next best option is to switch to a specific account type designed to eliminate monthly maintenance fees altogether. BMO offers everyday checking or checking options that feature zero monthly maintenance fees regardless of your balance. While these accounts might have different transaction limits or feature sets compared to premium plans, they completely remove the risk of unexpected monthly upkeep charges. Another effective strategy is qualifying for one of BMO's specialized banking programs that offer fee waivers based on your demographic or life stage. Students enrolled in full-time education often receive full monthly fee waivers while in school and for grace period after graduation. Newcomers to the country can frequently access promotional periods with zero monthly fees for their first year or two. Additionally, seniors meeting specific criteria or individuals utilizing registered disability savings plans may also qualify for fee exemptions. You should also look into multi-product bundling or relationship banking discounts. Some financial institutions provide fee rebates or waivers if you hold multiple financial products with them, such as a mortgage, a credit card, an investment account, or a line of credit. Consolidating your financial services under one roof can sometimes unlock structural tier rewards that erase checking fees. Finally, pay attention to auxiliary fees that can pop up even if your main monthly fee is waived, such as paper statement charges or non-network ATM fees. Opting out of paper statements in favor of digital or paperless banking preferences often eliminates secondary monthly document fees. Always review your specific account agreement to match your spending habits and balances with the right tier, ensuring you never pay a penny more than necessary for your everyday banking. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.